In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes in ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is an incredibly powerful tool for building effective sales funnels and landing pages. However, like any tool, it's crucial to know how to quickly undo changes when something doesn't go as planned. Whether you've accidentally moved an element, deleted a section, or made any other unintended change, ClickFunnels offers a straightforward way to reverse these actions using the Undo button. As you're working in the ClickFunnels page editor, you'll notice a menu bar sitting prominently at the top of your screen. The Undo button is conveniently located within this menu. Its function is simple yet highly effective. It allows you to reverse your most recent actions, ensuring that any mistakes can be swiftly corrected without derailing your workflow. When you click this button, it transparently walks back the change you just made. Perhaps you dragged a text box to the wrong place, or you inadvertently altered a setting that disrupted the design. The Undo button is there to swiftly revert it. This feature is particularly useful because it saves both time and frustration, ensuring you spend more energy on crafting your ideal page rather than on fixing errors. The key advantage of using the Undo button in ClickFunnels is that it not only promotes a seamless workflow, but also encourages experimentation. Knowing that you can easily undo any missteps enables you to try different layouts and designs without the fear of making irreversible changes. This freedom to experiment is a great way to refine your projects. To get the most out of this feature, it's beneficial to often take mental or actual notes of each significant change you make. This habit lets you identify which specific action you need to undo, especially during complex projects with numerous changes in quick succession. If you're continuously testing new ideas within your funnel design, the undo function becomes an indispensable part of your toolkit. That's about it for undoing changes in ClickFunnels. This tool is designed to enhance your productivity and creativity by providing easy solutions to correct any missteps. By incorporating this capability into your design process, you can explore your creative ideas confidently. Remember, each time you hit that undo button, you're taking control of your editing journey step by step. So now, with these instructions in place, you should feel more equipped to maneuver through your ClickFunnels projects with greater ease and adaptability. Embrace the flexibility it offers, and don't hesitate to use it as often as necessary. Thanks for watching, and happy funnel creating.